You may have heard horror stories about homesteading. You may have heard of the simple life and freeing, sustainable living. Everything you have heard is right. It is hard. It is horrible. It is simple. It is freeing. It is rewarding. It is painful. There isn't a good sales pitch or a bad sales pitch. It's a mixture of everything. With homesteading, you are subject to the land and the fickle patterns of weather. You tie yourself more directly to the life and death cycle of an animal. Your feet hurt. Your back aches. You cry with sadness and you cry with laughter. Homesteading is a mixture of everything. You have to get outside in the dead of winter to keep the animal water buckets from freezing. You have to get outside in the sweltering heat and humidity of summer and sweat like you've never sweated before. You have to dig holes for plants, keep up with the animal feed, constantly preserving your harvests, making items for later use, etc. You never have a day off. It all comes down to this. There will be good times. There will be births and laughter. There will be a sense of pride and happiness knowing you are completely self-sufficient and cut off from the control of the outside world. But there will also be bad times. There will be aches and pains. There will be deaths and disappointments. There will be times when you just want to throw in the towel and give up. You have to keep striving bigger than yourself, bigger than your current struggles. You have to stay centered in the dark space surrounding you in the chaos of the modern world. If you are just starting out in homesteading, don't let the negative thoughts stop you. Press on to find that vision of what matters. I know it isn't easy, but most things that are worth doing take sustained effort, even when it's hard. Just remember, the sunshine always comes after a storm. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.